Well, this gravy boat is from the Dickens Coaching Days series made by Enoch Wedgwood. There we go, Tunstall Ltd, England's Dickens Coaching Days. I didn't quite print the full coaching on there, couldn't fit it in. Also impress, made in England. A nice piece of china in very good condition. Brown and white. Is it brown and white, black and white, or grey and white? It's really difficult to tell. Sort of going on the... It's a sort of browny black, to be honest, somewhere between the two. They would have made these in a range of colours, probably red and white, green and white, blue and white version, and this, the probably blacky brown and white version. So on the front section, rural church with its entrance and tree-lined entrance, set of stocks in the foreground on there, and the coaching scene on the front side with the dog, coach and 4 horses on the front, in fine condition, nice and clean, good bit of decoration down the outer aspect of the handle, and a nice clean base plate as well. So a lovely replacement piece of Enoch Wedgwood, probably 1950s 1960s date range on this one, coaching series. We'll look that up and it will all be in the listing together with the dimensions and size, because it's a very nice sort of pretty unusual moulded wall to this one. It's got some real texture in it. Bulbous, I think, is the best way of describing that. Dimples and ridges on it, but very uneven but pleasant to touch. Whether it would have had a saucer plate with it originally, potentially, again we'll do a little bit of research on that, but this one hasn't retained that with it. It's come to us in a mixed auction lot, so we're just working our way through, and there's certainly currently no gravy tray plate associated with this, please. Link below will take you through to the website listing. Thanks for watching.